Today we're working on more solving inequalities. We're just going to get down to our one variable and what it is greater than or less than. Same steps like we're solving equations. We can divide this into two parts. We're going to leave the sign alone unless we're multiplying or dividing by a negative. That's the only time it changes. So just like when we have a variable on both sides of an equation, when we have a variable on both sides of an inequality, we're going to eliminate the smallest one first. In this case, we've got a 6t and we've got a 9t. The 6t is smaller, so we're going to subtract 6t from both sides of the inequality. That's going to put us with just a 9 over here. 6t minus 6t is just 0. Then we have less than. 9t minus 6t is going to give us 3t remaining. Now we just have to get down to 1t. We're just going to divide this by 3, divide the other side by 3. We have 3 is less than t, and that's the answer on that problem. On this next one, we have everyone's favorite, fractions. What we're going to do is we're going to find the lowest common denominator. 2 can divide evenly into 4, so we're going to use 4 as our lowest common denominator. We're going to multiply this one by 4. We're going to multiply this one by 4. But we can't ignore this 3. It's part of the inequality as well. We have to multiply it by 4 as well. Otherwise, this isn't going to turn out the way we need it to. 4 times 1/2 is going to be just half of 4, 2x. 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. Then we have our greater than or equal to. Again, both sides of this, it's just going to remain the same. 3 times 4 is 12, divided by 4 is 3, or we can cancel these 4's out and just write down our 3. When we get to this point, we're doing the same thing that we were doing before. We need to get the x by itself. We subtract 12 from both sides. This leaves us with 2x on this side of the inequality. Here's our greater than or equal to, and 3 minus 12 is going to give us a negative 9. We divide by 2 on both sides, and we're going to get x is greater than or equal to a negative 9 halves. For today, you can probably leave this as an improper fraction, but 2 goes into 9 4 times with 1 left over, so this is going to be x is greater than or equal to a negative 4 1/2 if you get in a situation where you're going to need to graph it.